Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a professional website in Claude AI. First, let's go to the sidebar and on the left and look for the artifacts icon. Once you're in the artifacts gallery, click on the new artifact button at the top right. This will open a dedicated workspace where we can choose the type of work we want to build from scratch. Now, Claude will ask us to pick a category. We'll select apps and websites to make the site more professional. The AI will ask a few follow-up questions. For this demo, let's go with a dashboard that's fun and creative. I will choose a modern and bold style with a colorful theme, focused on fun stats and random facts. This step ensures the AI understands our vision before it starts coding. Once we review the layout plan provided by Claude, simply type the word in the chat box to confirm. Now just sit back and watch as the AI starts building the entire structure in real time. It's handling all the complex coding logic from the header to the interactive counters, based on the preference we just select. When the process is finished, look for the three dots on the top right at the artifact window and click on download file. You will get an HTML file that you can save to your computer. Now let's open it. And there is a fully functional responsive website generated entirely by AI. From here, you can keep asking Claude to add CSS or more features to refine it. And that's it.